Success starts in one place, your mind. If you don't control your thoughts will control your life. Have you ever caught yourself thinking, I'm not good enough, I'll probably fail, or people like me don't succeed? Those aren't just thoughts, and they're programs running in your mind, shaping every action you take. Your brain is like a computer. If the software is corrupted with negativity, no matter how hard you work, the results won't change. To succeed, you must reprogram your mind. I knew a guy who grew up hearing, money is evil, and rich people are greedy. As an adult, every time he made progress financially, he'd sabotage it, because deep down, his mind was programmed to believe success was wrong. Once he replaced those beliefs with new ones, his life completely changed. Here's how to reprogram your mind for success. 1. Awareness. Catch the negative thought. 2. Replace it. Turn, I can't do this into, I'm learning to do this. 3. Repetition. Repeat your new belief daily until your brain accepts it. Remember, your brain doesn't know the difference between imagination and reality. That's why athletes visualize winning, speakers rehearse in their minds, and leaders declare affirmations daily. What you repeat, you become. Your future isn't written by luck. It's written by the thoughts you feed yourself every single day. Upgrade your mind software and your results will transform. Comment, "Success starts in my mind" below to lock this in today. And start reprogramming your thoughts for greatness.